Here are your formula scoop tips of the day. Number one, always use the scoop that comes in your container of formula. Each company has a different amount that their scoop provides, and it can be different from company to company. You want to make sure you're using the correct dosage of formula per water. You always want to take your scoop in and out of your container and never put it on another surface, which can contaminate it. So you'll scoop, put it in your pre-measured water, and then put the scoop directly back in your container to make sure that it stays clean. When you're making those scoops for your formula, you do want to read the recipe on the side of your container. Most of the time, the recipe is 1 level unpacked scoop per 2 ounces of water. But some companies have 1 scoop per 1 ounce of water. So make sure that you're reading that to make the correct amount. You're adding multiple scoops for more ounces depending on how much you're making for that bottle. You do want to make an unpacked level scoop, meaning you're not pushing the formula down into the cup to pack it in there. So you're going to take the scoop. Now this is a heaping scoop. So if you tap it on the side of the can, this will reduce the air bubbles in your formula and make it a level scoop. So you want to have that formula at the top, but not pushed down and not heaping over the sides. Now you know.